Today, I hope that the students will take away the broader opportunities and avenues they can take in agricultural careers, but also that it's their future. It's if it be for food security or sustainability or for their future employment, that agriculture is the answer. Good morning, boys, girls, teachers, parents. Welcome to AgVision. Are you guys excited?
My highlight today for the AgVision was the AgTech presentation. It was very interesting and it gave me a lot of confirmation of what I do in my future.
The highlight for my day was we learned about plants and plant embryos.
My highlight today was seeing horses.
My highlight today was watching the dogs run around.
My highlight was the Primo stand, lots of free food.
My highlight of the day was being able to work with the social networking people and being able to see new job opportunities.